Hi everyone, welcome back to Crypto Kickstart. Today we're diving into the CoinEx platform and showing you how to maximize your benefits using the CoinEx referral code g69h3. Whether you're new here or an experienced trader, understanding the referral program can help you earn extra rewards. Don't forget to use our CoinEx referral code g69h3 to get exclusive sign-up bonuses. Let's get started. What is a CoinEx referral code? A CoinEx referral code is a unique code that allows new users to receive bonuses and rewards when they sign up for CoinEx. By using the referral code G69H3, you can unlock exclusive rewards, including trading fee discounts and cashback. It's a fantastic way to start your trading journey with added benefits. Step-by-step guide to using CoinEx referral code. Step 1. Sign up first. Head over to the CoinEx website or download the CoinEx app. Click on the Sign Up button to create your account. Enter your email address or mobile number and set a password for your new account. During the sign-up process, you'll see a field labeled Referral Code. Enter G69H3 in this field and click Confirm. You will receive a verification email with a code. Enter the code to verify your account. Step 2. Apply the referral code. During the sign-up process, make sure you enter the referral code G69H3 in the designated field. This will immediately activate the exclusive rewards associated with the code, inviting friends and getting referral rewards. Methods of invitation. CoinEx offers multiple ways to invite friends. Referral links. Generate your referral link from the CoinEx platform and share it with your friends. Referral codes. Share your unique referral code that friends can enter during their sign-up process. C-boxes. These are special gift boxes that contain referral links and can be shared on social media. Maximizing rewards. Adjusting referral ratios. You can choose to share a portion of your referral rewards with your friends to incentivize them to sign up using your code. Posting on social media. Share your referral link or code on social media platforms and within crypto communities to reach a larger audience. CoinEx offers different referral ratios based on your VIP level. Referral ratio. This is the percentage of trading fees you earn from your referrals trades. Higher VIP levels offer higher referral ratios. VIP levels. Your VIP level depends on your trading volume and the amount of CET CoinEx token you hold. Upgrading your VIP level increases your referral rewards. CoinEx Ambassador Program. By recruiting other ambassadors, you can earn additional rewards. This program allows you to earn up to 40% of the trading fees from your referrals. Calculating and receiving rewards. Referral rewards are calculated based on the trading fees generated by your referrals. Calculation. The referral rewards are a percentage of the trading fees paid by your referrals. For example, if your referral trades and pays 100 USDT in fees, and your referral ratio is 20%, you will earn 20 USDT. Crediting. The rewards are credited to your account periodically, and you can view your referral and reward history in your CoinEx dashboard. Referral rules and compliance. CoinEx has specific rules to ensure fair use of the referral program. Self-referral. Creating multiple accounts to refer yourself is prohibited. Compliance. Adhere to the terms and conditions to avoid penalties. Non-compliance can result in the cancellation of referral rewards. In conclusion, using the CoinEx referral code G69H3 during sign-up can unlock amazing bonuses and rewards. Make sure to take advantage of these to maximize your trading experience. The CoinEx platform is user-friendly and offers various trading options to suit your needs, whether you're just starting out or you're an experienced trader. That's it for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to Crypto Kickstart for more tutorials and crypto insights. Use the CoinEx referral code G69H3 in the description below to get your exclusive sign-up bonus and start trading today. Thanks for watching and happy trading.